So the shell, let's see, this is actually a 3-inch brocade crown to red strobe. So rip the bag off the bottom, so that's lift charge. So it's just black powder in a bag. So quick match goes in, lights this, explodes. There's a thing called, so as we open it, okay, so stars.
Oh.
So these are stars. And then this stuff right here is actually rice hull. So they take rice and they coat the rice hull in black powder, and that's the brake charge. So the stuff that's in these two little bags on each half is a brake charge. And then what's left inside are the stars. And so the stars will work on what you see in the sky. So like, let's say they're coated in, let's say, green. And then in the center, it'll be red, because it said it's changing to red, so it's color change. So it burns and it gets to red, okay? So these are what are called rolled stars. So they basically put them in like a cement mixer. And they start out with either birdseed or rice hull, birdseed or BBs. And then they just keep spraying, and then dump this out. Okay. So here is when the lift charge fires, these two pieces of fuse light and burn, and then this is what lights it. So that's why half and half are identically the same. So when they break, they just grow symmetrically. And then they coat it in something that helps them light. Okay. That's what this is. It makes it light. And then, so it lights from the black powder. These start to burn. So this is the 3-inch shell travels roughly 70 feet per inch. So 7 times 3 is 21. So 210 feet. That's how long it'll take for that to burn and then break. And then they'll take and put the lift charge in the center, and then they'll put a few more stars, and then they'll do the same on this side, and then what they'll do is they sandwich them together, and then they'll put like a piece of tape, and then they put it through a tape machine, and it does that.
So there's the lift charge?
Correct. It's basically just black powder.
Just black powder, like gunpowder.
Yeah, so it's gunpowder. This looks like it's, I don't know. I've never seen it that shiny. So they probably mixed it with something.